Hi everyone, welcome back. I didn't just film this bit, but I've just put all the pedals back together. Well, put the master cylinders on, connected all the pedals up, and now that's all sucked back in there, so that's all good. I did get myself a bit confused though, with these spacers, because the long one was in the brake pedal. This is the brake pedal, that's the clutch pedal. So I was a bit confused for a minute, but I managed to sort it out anyway. So you got short spacer, long spacer, short spacer with the two washers on the inside. So once I figured that out, it was all good. But yeah, some of them bolts down there are a real pain to get to. It's probably why one of them was missing, but we've got them all in there now, so it's all good. So next thing I'm going to do is, I think, put the heater box back together, and then we'll see where we can get that in there. We'll film that for you. Right, so that is a couple of seconds for you, but it's been about an hour for me because I've been trying to find the foam bits that I bought, the seals and that, which I did buy a set and I can't find all of them, so I made a couple of other ones out of this, which I had left over from doing the flaps on the heater box on my Rover actually. So yeah, so let's get this thing together. Alright, there you got that little doodah there, that little grill. And we've got to have a foam bit there, so we'll put a bit of spray glue on that. What I'm hoping is that I don't get on my fingers. No, what I'm hoping is that this should hold that little grill in anyway. Hopefully. I think once I glue that in, that'll hold that there anyway. Like so. Yeah, that's pretty much all that was holding it before anyway, but the one that was on there is all, I don't know, crumbled. I don't even know if it's still kicking about. I think that was it there. So, yeah, well, it's like 50 odd years old, so over 50 years old, like me. Alright, so we've got to put this piece on as well, which obviously goes down there, so I'm not sure whether we need to glue this or not. Whether that would just sit there. I suppose we could glue it at the top, and then I'm presuming that that goes there. That's one of the bits that I did find. Yeah, it must do, mustn't it? That goes there. One of these each side, and then that one at the front, so I can't see anywhere else that would go. Yeah, I'm going to put a bit of spray glue on this. Otherwise it's just going to try and fall off when I'm not going to put it on the whole thing. Shall I put any on there? I'm going to put a bit on. No, I'm not going to put any on there. Right, it's going to be exciting viewing. I need to let that tack off a bit on that one. That foam it soaks in. Right, I'll let that tack off and then I'll come back. Right, that's tacked off now. Enough, I think. And we stick that down there. And hopefully it'll stay there when I put it in. I think these are quite tight. The original one's sort of foam really. because that's rubber. So yeah, obviously that's all gone manky as well. Alright, what else can we do? Put these on. That one there. That one there. And then we'll do this as well. If that ain't the right place there, then I'm sure everyone will be shouting at me, but I can't really find any instructions of where these are meant to go. It's got to be there, surely. It's the only piece that won't have a seal on it, otherwise there'd be a gap behind it. I guess. I don't know. Yeah, we'll go for that. Right. Down there. One on there. One down there. Glue on my fingers because I ain't got my gloves on, which is a bit silly. And then yeah, we'll just stick that there. I don't know. Hopefully that's right. I really don't know. Yeah, looking at the car, it should be. So we'll go for that, and then we'll flip her over. And then I'm guessing that goes that way, does it? The right way? Yes. I believe there should be O-rings on here as well, but I haven't got them, so that'd be a no. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, that's tight. I know it's got to be tight, but that end's jumped out now. Right. So in there, that looks pretty tight there anyway. So we'll glue that on there in a minute. But we've got some shiny new clips. Are these all the same size? And look at it. We'll replace them just to make this thing look a little bit better. Right, I'll put it on from the front. One there. Two. Three there. Oh, and one more. Oh. Is that it? Oh, out. One here as well. We'll trying to hook them in at the front and going backwards, because if I do scratch it, I'd rather scratch it at the back than the front. Right. Yeah, cool. That looks much better. Right, I'll glue that on, and then I'll turn the camera off. I'm going to glue this on, and then I'll go and get the motor, because I need to find the screws for it, or some screws for it. Cool. Right, so I've got a motor now. I need to sort, well, I don't need to sort the wiring out. There's a bit of scabby old tape around that, but we'll pop that in there. I believe, if I remember rightly, the bottom bolt was missing anyway, so it's not now. We'll just whop these 3 bolts in there. There's a bracket on that one, but whether you really need it or not, probably not. But it's on there, so we'll put it in. Knit them up. Hopefully I've got the 2 wires around the right way. Right. Yeah, not certain on that. Oh yeah, I can see why the bottom one was missing. Brilliant. Maybe they're not the right size bolts. That's well handy, that is. Yeah, right, I don't know what to do about that. I don't know how to put it in. Well, that's the right pain, that is. Right, I think what I'll do is I have to drill that out slightly larger and put a slightly bigger bolt in, which isn't ideal. But at least I know why the bottom one was missing now, because the thread's knackered in the bottom of it. Felt alright a minute ago. I guess that's because there was a bit of paint in the hole. So that's a bit of a pain. Right, I'll be back. Right, what I've done, which is a bit naughty, but I didn't really want to drill it out and put a bigger bolt in it. And it's going to make it an absolute pain in the backside if I need to change this fan at any point. But I'll put a nut on the back of it. Now I can put this back on. But I think what I'm going to do before I put it back on is I'm going to put a little bit of foam around these, just to seal them up a bit better, as I haven't got them O-rings in there. Thinking about it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Right, I'm not going to film that. But the next time you'll see me, I'll put it in the car. Right, so here's a question for all the MG owners. So I've been trying to put that in. And has anyone ever successfully fitted a heater box with one of these new rubbers? Because it's just so hard. It's miles away. It just doesn't fit. So I've glued the old one back together, and I'm going to put it in with that. I haven't tried it yet, so let's see if it can fit in with that. Oh no, that's getting caught up. This thing's making me angry. Oh, it's still tight, even with that. But it does fit in the hole. Yeah, so that went straight in then, and I haven't test fitted that, so you saw it as it went in. Yeah, so also got a bolt in, a couple of bolts each end, 3 along the front, 1 at the back. So I don't think I'll bother filming that because this thing's stressing me now. And I've got to find some new bolts, so I'll do that. I might film it. At least it's in there now. But yeah, if anyone has ever fitted one, it's just so hard. The rubber's so hard. I figured I might as well just put the old one in, because even if I get one from somewhere else, it's still going to be the same, I'm guessing. Why don't they just make them out of foam like the originals? That's mad. Right, rant over. Right, so I can't remember what I just recorded, but yeah, that's all in, bolted in, screwed in. I've pulled all the wire and loom back through, because I pulled it all inside while I painted under it. So I've pulled all of that through. So I just need to sort out that bird's nest over there and work out where they will go, but it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, throttle cable's on. Well, I did put that, I connected that up before I put that in anyway, because it's just easier. Must be a right pain to change it when it's all still in there. But anyway, yeah, that's in. Yeah, so that's going to be about it for this video. I was hoping to get all the brake lines put in today, but that hasn't happened. Been messing around with them, trying to find stuff. It's just been a nightmare today, but we got a bit done, so not a waste of time. So yeah, till next time, catch you later.